This is ANN News Brief.
Nigeria has been declared polio-free nation. The World Health Organization certified Nigeria and Cameroon to be free of the virus. The World Health Body is expected to formally present Nigeria with the certificate and also declare Africa free of the wild polio virus. Nigeria's head of primary health care agency, Dr. Faisa Shuaib, described the achievement as a proud moment for all Nigerians. Also, health experts in Cameroon have welcomed the development after Cameroon's health minister Malachi Manuder announced on Wednesday that the country had been certified free of polio. The health experts urged caution. Polio is a crippling disease that usually affects children under 5. A country is declared polio-free when high immunization coverage is recorded and there is proof there have been no transmissions of the virus for at least 3 consecutive years. It is also required that such a country must maintain a surveillance and outbreak preparedness system. Afghanistan and Pakistan are now the only 2 countries with the cases of the wild polio virus. Ugandan Minister of Health, Dr. Jane Ruth Erseng, says preparations for the expansion of 40,000 bed capacity hospitals is in progress to manage the increasing numbers of COVID-19 cases in the country. 741 cases have been confirmed in the country at the launch of an innovation mobile learning platform to build capacity of Uganda's health workforce COVID-19 response. The minister says Uganda has progressed to stage 3 of COVID-19 pandemic with clusters of community transmission. That means serious containment measures are needed for any eventuality. Ruth Aseng added that 8,000 health workers will be trained, adding that the Nombele Stadium will be used to accommodate mild and moderate cases of COVID-19 in Uganda. Kenya has been elected to the United Nations Security Council on Thursday after defeating Djibouti in a runoff vote by the 193-member General Assembly after an initial ballot failed to produce a clear winner. The nation will now replace South Africa in the non-permanent seat. Niger and Tunisia are the only other representatives of the African continent. Mexico, India, Ireland, Norway, who were elected on Wednesday, and Kenya will take up their 2-year terms on the 15-member council in January next year. Kenya's President Uhuru Kenyatta thanked the African Union for its endorsement. Kenyatta said the win was a demonstration of the country's growing profile and influence in the community of nations as a steadfast and dependable development partner. President Kenyatta said his country will consolidate and voice Africa's position in the Security Council and will advance its 10-point agenda outlined in its campaign. The Security Council is the only UN body that can make legally binding decisions like imposing sanctions and authorizing the use of force. To ensure geographical representation, seats are allocated to regional groups. All candidates need to win the support of more than 2/3 of the General Assembly to be elected. That is ANN News Brief at 11. For details on these and other breaking stories, visit our website annafrica.news. Conversation continues on our social media platforms, Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook at ANN Africa TV. I'm Lucy Adeyemi.